What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk some XRP. Let's talk some Ripple, right? Ripple is set to unlock 1 billion XRP tokens for July sell-offs. I want to get into some of the news behind Ripple. July 1st, we will see 1 billion tokens unlocked. Let's look into some of the historical points. This will be worth about $470 million, okay? This is expected. This is a monthly sell-off. And what happens usually is we do see that sell-off that negatively impacts the XRP price. And historically, this has been happening every day of the first of the month since of 2017. According to XRP Scan, though, this is where you look into some of the Ripple 24 and Ripple 25 to manage the escrows. This has been done since May 24th. Let's look into some of the wallets as they currently hold about 1 billion in XRP monthly token unlocks within these escrows, and that will be managed until January 2025. Okay, so let's get down into it. Let's look at some of the data. Make sure you guys are all subscribed down below to the channel, and we will take a dive into the crypto bubbles. I'll show you guys what is happening on XRP as we currently stand. The market right now is up significantly, but let's get down into it. Please do not confuse this with financial advice. We are going to be talking a lot of crypto here on the channel. Like I said, make sure you guys are all subscribed down below. Never miss a beat when we talk XRP and all of your favorite cryptos. Okay, but here's where we are as the 7th spot for the number 7th ranked crypto in total market cap. Up on the day just a little bit, up 0.3%. We have crossed into the green, trading at 47.65. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens as we look into these token unlocks. You can see kind of how this historically takes place, right? So a little bit of a downturn on April 1st. Okay, and then we can get into what happened in May. And it wasn't nothing of significance as we are currently kind of still receding. But on the year, XRP has kind of been stable. It's trading sideways. We're waiting for that next spike, that next catalyst. And I don't think we're going to get that until we get outside of the courtroom, right? We need to get some legal clarity as we all talk and are aware of with what is going on with XRP. But over the course of the year, it's down 1.38%, so basically flat in that regard. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about what's happening, okay, as we need to know what's going to happen when we unlock these tokens within the July 1st escrow unlocking. So here are some of the transaction hashes. Historically, what we've seen, you could see these amounts of XRP that have been scheduled. It's something that's expected. This is not necessarily intended to be FUD, but they're all out there for you guys to see for your own eyes. Look at the monthly unlocks that we see along the way. And this is what happens as we saw this back in June, on June 1st. Okay, we could see that the escrow system unlocked 1 billion XRP from June 1st from those two accounts, and we've reserved 200 million tokens for the sell-off and relocked for September 2027. Okay. Moreover, the company added 200 million extra XRP for this last sell-off, so we totaled 400 million for the largest monthly dump in its history. Now, what's interesting is, like I said, the price was not really impacted too much. As we looked at the chart, you could see back in June, over the past month, this was back, May 30th, we were at 51 cents roughly, and now we are at 48 cents. So systematically, as these have gone on, we're down 10%, but this is something where I think it's more of the broader market, more so than these sell-offs. So just something to be aware of. And you can see with this flow chart how this actually takes place, okay? Back in June, you can see where these wallets led to, where the escrow accounts led to, okay? And more so, this is kind of where we can segue into the price analysis, all right? In 2024, 5 of the 14 sell-off days that we saw had positive price action. This was February 5th and 11th, April 14th, May 13th, and May 20th. Okay, all other 9 days were of local crashes. That was more so of evidence to the importance of the daily company activities. Okay, and then we can get a little further and talk about it as XRP had negative monthly performances 4 of the 6 months for 2024. So as we talk about XRP, we all are aware of what it's doing. It's in that descending pattern. It's been a very negative price action since June 1st. Okay, and like I said and kind of talked about, it's down about 10% in the month of June. So here's the data points. This is the graphic. If you guys want to zoom in on your screen, you can take a further dive and see exactly what's going on within these token unlocks and how the downturns, and then kind of paved the way for a little bit of buyback where we saw, little swings up since these unlocks. You could see these red arrows where we saw this downturn, and then subsequently following, we did seem to gobble up that dip and proceed into a little bit of a brief period of time into the green. Okay, but at 46, 47 cents, we, like I said, we're down a little bit under 10% since the last token unlock. So will we go lower? Time will tell. But I did want to talk to you guys a little bit about what XRP is doing on the month as we await that July 1st token unlock. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys all subscribe for more. We will talk crypto every single day here on the channel, XRP and all your favorite cryptos. So make sure you guys are all subscribed. Also follow me on X at the Crypto Mark. That way you guys always stay in tune with what's going on with everything happening in the crypto world. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.